Hey everybody, this is Shannon. I'm doing another walking tour, and this time it's through Saddlerock in West Sedona. It is on the south side of 89A, just west of Airport Road. It sits really elevated, and so the views from here are pretty spectacular. Most of the homes were built in the 1980s and 1990s, but the first home was built in 1960. Here's just a quick little shot of some of the homes in Saddlerock Ranch. Great views. Saddlerock is located right across the street from Whole Foods. Homes here typically range between $850,000 and about $1.3 million, but sometimes you'll find something that's a little bit more and a little bit less. Also, a lot of the houses in this neighborhood are single-family homes, or they all are single-family homes, but they're one story. The majority of the homes here are on a 3rd-acre lot, but you will find some homes that sit on about a half an acre. The HOA disbanded about a year ago, and so now the community does allow short-term rentals. It is walking distance to Soldiers Pass, Posse Grounds, as well as the airport loop trail. And Saddlerock is also across the street from Whole Foods Shopping Center. And Mariposa Restaurant is just a couple doors away as well. The homes in Saddlerock range from 1,500 to over 4,000 square feet. As I'm spanning on the homes here, you'll see the different types of design that people have used to create their homes. Overall, it's a pretty quiet, peaceful, and serene neighborhood. And Saddlerock has 114 properties. It's primarily built out, but there are still a couple of privately owned lots that people haven't done anything with. Like many neighborhoods throughout Sedona, you'll notice that there are no sidewalks in this neighborhood. And as with most of the neighborhoods in Sedona, you do have a high probability of seeing wildlife through here. I have personally seen deer through this neighborhood, and I love that you have some areas with really large vegetation. So as I come around this tree, you can see some pretty nice views of Thunderbird Mountain. So again, this is elevated off of 89A. There's Coffee Pot. And so this makes it for a pretty popular neighborhood. I don't see too many homes come on the market very often. Right now there is one on the market here, and they traditionally do not stay on the market for very long just because of the views. Well, because of the views and because this is a neighborhood that you can short-term rent, and it's in great proximity to uptown as well as you are straight in West Sedona. So if you are a part-time resident and need to utilize I-17, there are other ways out than going through uptown and taking 179 to get to I-17. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think of Saddlerock below.